Hello everybody, it's me again, David again. About ready to do the final stage of this table vise installation. First I want to give a shout out for this cool sticker right here from your real estate whisperer, hashtag Wairu. She's a lot of fun. Christina Smallhorn and her husband Eddie Smallhorn on YouTube. That's that little logo right there. Every Thursday night they have real estate trivia on YouTube. Lots of fun. Go check them out. Have a good time. Central Time, 7:30. Sticker that was there, it's gone now. That is a much cooler sticker right there. Thank you so much. Alright, right now before I do this, I want to announce that I've blown out my right elbow, so I have an assistant to help me today. It's one of the Makita kids, Drew. How you doing, Drew?
Good.
Alright. See if you can't get this thing installed for me. I would appreciate it, buddy.
Alright.
Okay, right now you just grabbed one of the nuts, right? One thing I want to point out from Hyper Tough and their infinite wisdom is a previous video I complained that there was only I wanted 8 washers, but they only came with 4 washers for the top. Like I said, in their infinite wisdom, they decided to make these nuts larger than the bolt heads. Maybe that's to compensate for a lack of bottom washer. I'm not exactly sure, because these bolt heads are, see if I can focus on this, 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. But these nuts, however, are larger at 14 millimeter. You can see that? 14 millimeter. There you go. So, proceed. I just wanted to point that out, that the nuts are larger than the bolt head, so you have to use 2 different size tools. 14 millimeter on the bottom, 12 millimeter on the top. Whatever. I taught you to feel it out. Don't cross thread. There you go.
Okay. Oh, Lord. thing like I had trouble the last time.
Get it?
Almost. This is so
Here, hold
complicated.
this. Let me try that. My way isn't hurt so awfully that I can do this part. You get them all hand tight, all the way?
Yep.
Are you sure even that last one?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing now? You get your 14 millimeter wrench underneath on the nut, right?
Yep.
And you're gonna torque it down with the Makita.
Yep. First I need to turn it. Maybe I should turn it more. There we go.
Wasn't all the way hand tightened, was it?
No, I thought it was.
Yeah.
Okay. Try this one more time.
Is that it?
Yep.
The whole thing's shaking. That's awesome, buddy. Give me a high five. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. Jesus loves you.